getting money back to back, it's a black stack. Whoa, boy, ain't no about to fuck it up. Purple haze got me dazed with my double cut. In a wave, then the surface up. Young king in a rage, time to knuckle up. There ain't no guns in my video.
Alright y'all, it's Pretty Eyed Sky. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first part of this style is the Fulanis. You're going to take the two dreads right above your ear and you're going to start a two-strand twist. It doesn't really matter how tight or how loose you do it. It's really your preference. I personally like to keep mine kind of tight. This is the ending result right here. And now we're going to jump on to the other side of my head. We're going to do the same thing, but make sure you twist them individually while you do your two-strand twist. So I'm going to twist, cross, twist, cross. And that's how that looks at the end. Make sure you do a little loop at the end, do a knot, or you can even use an elastic. It's honestly your preference and what you want to put in your hair and what you feel comfortable with. See, that's the end right there. Perfect. And then you can go ahead and put a second knot in there. It's honestly up to you, whatever you feel secure with. So at this point, we're going to section the hair off in three. So a ponytail in the back, ponytail up top, so that we can start with the left side. You're going to start to twist, and then for an even crisper look, take some edge control, make you a baby hair. Do what you feel you need to do right there. Go ahead and take that dread from the left, cross it over, take it from the right. You're going to cross that one on over, and as you're crossing them, retwist it so that you have a crisp and sleek look. And then, the more comfortable you get with it, the quicker you can go. Yep, and you're just going to keep repeating the same steps until you get to about, midway towards the back of your hair. This is how it looks so far. Go ahead and pull that one around. Then get your dread from the other side, like I said. Pull that one over. Make sure you don't do it too tight because like me, I'm tender-headed. So I'll take this out in an hour if it hurt me too much. So if you're tender-headed, make sure you do not pull them too tight because you will be crying and trying to get some Tylenol. So at this point here, you really gonna be feeling yourself. I will guarantee you this. So when you do this last step here, you got to take your time and put your everything. Alright, now that you're looking like a dime piece from the left, let's work on the right so that they can be on your body from the right. And after this, you ain't going to have a good side or a bad side. Both your sides are going to be all of that and a bag of chips. Look at that. They're going to be on your body after this. So this is how it looks after you do both sides, real crisp and clean. So now we're going to start with the barrel twist. So you need to start with three. And the way you do the barrel twist is you take one and you just wrap. You just wrap. It doesn't have to be extremely tight. You just wrap, wrap, wrap some more. Keep on going. So you're not going to wrap it all the way until it's no more left. You're going to do it about halfway and then switch to another dread and then start wrapping that one. See, now I'm taking another dread, wrap, 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 and you're just going to keep on wrapping. This is very simple. Simple method for a really, really, really cute style. So this is how it looks at this point. Let's speed up the video since you pretty much, got the basis of this. And you're going to do it until you have a barrel twist with all of your remaining dreads up top from your ponytail up top. Once again, at the end, you can put an elastic. You can make another little knot, whichever you prefer. So at this point here, you guaranteed to be the life of the party. When you walk in that room, I guarantee you all heads is going to stop. All eyes going to be on you. So get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Yep, go ahead. Do all the rest of the barrel knots in your hair. Now, if you followed my method and you start looking like something out of Men in Black or Jeepers Creepers, you did it right. Alright, so once you look like something, out the bottom of the ocean, this is where you can put your own style in. Right here, I'm really just freestyling. Just take the dread and tuck it, really honestly anywhere. You can tuck it in the back, you can tuck it in the side. Me personally, I have a dread with little elephant charms, so I made sure to tuck that in the front so that it could show. All right. Now, since your baby edges is on fleek for the gods, you done got your eyebrows did. Let's add a little twist on the style. Now, in the back, instead of having it a loose, plait it. Take 3 individual locks and braid them. Make sure you do this for all your dreads in the back. The finishing look is gonna make you look like everything and more. So braid, braid, braid. And ladies, once you're finished, you're gonna be looking like nothing short of a black queen.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I said I'm feeling like a black king, 'cause you're looking like a black queen. Fat little stack thing, we getting money back to back, it's a black thing. Whoa, boy, ain't no about to f it up. Purple haze got me days with my double cut. In a wave, then the surface up. Young king in a rage, time to knuckle up. There ain't no guns in my bed.